How can I get rid of metallic taste in my mouth?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing a common concern that many people face: how to get rid of a metallic taste in your mouth. If you've ever experienced that unpleasant, metallic flavor in your mouth, you know how bothersome it can be. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some helpful tips and tricks to help you tackle this issue. So, let's dive right in.
Stay hydrated.
One possible cause of a metallic taste in your mouth is dehydration. Ensuring you stay hydrated is essential for your overall health and can help alleviate this unpleasant sensation. Make sure to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses, 64 ounces, of water daily to keep yourself hydrated.
Proper oral hygiene.
Another culprit for that metallic taste might be poor oral hygiene. Maintaining a proper oral hygiene routine is crucial for preventing various oral health issues, including a metallic taste in your mouth. Here are some important steps to follow. Brushing. Brush your teeth at least twice a day, preferably after meals. Use a fluoride toothpaste and a soft bristled toothbrush. Pay attention to your tongue as well, as bacteria can accumulate on its surface. Flossing. Don't forget to floss your teeth regularly. This helps remove food particles and plaque from between your teeth, which can contribute to the metallic taste. Mouthwash. Consider incorporating an alcohol-free mouthwash into your routine. It can help freshen your breath and reduce the chances of a metallic taste lingering in your mouth.
Dietary adjustments.
Certain foods and drinks can trigger or exacerbate a metallic taste in your mouth. Making some dietary adjustments might help alleviate this issue. Here are a few tips. Avoid strong flavors. Stay away from strongly flavored foods and drinks, such as spicy or heavily seasoned dishes, as they can intensify the metallic taste. Citrus fruits. Include citrus fruits, like oranges or lemons, in your diet. They can help counteract the metallic taste and provide a refreshing sensation. Suck on hard candy. Sucking on a piece of sugar-free hard candy or chewing sugar-free gum can stimulate saliva production and help wash away the metallic taste.
Medication review.
If you're currently taking any medications, it's worth considering whether they might be causing the metallic taste in your mouth. Review your medications and consult your healthcare provider or pharmacist to see if this could be a potential side effect. They may be able to suggest alternative medications or adjustments to your current regimen.
Consult a healthcare professional.
If the metallic taste persists or is accompanied by other concerning symptoms, it's important to seek advice from a healthcare professional. A doctor or dentist can perform a thorough evaluation, identify the underlying cause, and recommend appropriate treatment options. We've reached the end of our video, and I hope you found these tips helpful in getting rid of that metallic taste in your mouth. Remember, staying hydrated, maintaining proper oral hygiene, making dietary adjustments, reviewing your medications, and seeking professional advice are key steps to address this issue. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.